Hello, good evening. John with New York Metro Weather. Hope everyone's doing great. Quick update for you, evening update. Not too much going on out there right now. A couple snow showers, mood flakes as we like to call them, moving through parts of New Jersey and New York. These are going to be mostly a nuisance through tonight. We don't expect much precipitation associated with them. Mostly even rain near the coast, warmer temperatures, really nothing too much to write home about through today. But as we move into tonight, we're going to see an increase in precipitation. Here's our latest model guidance, and you can see we'll zoom in on the New York City metro area to give you kind of a better idea of what to expect. You can see models are indicating that showers will move back into the area. This is by 10 o'clock tonight. Those will be associated with a weak disturbance moving off the coast, in and out, transient, but some snow in the city briefly before it changed over to rain, some sleet and freezing rain up north. National Weather Service has winter weather advisories issued up here in the northern suburbs, so some slick roads possible on Tuesday morning as this thing moves out of here. This is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock a.m. You can see this one disturbance is out. Temperatures will warm up a bit, but it's going to be feeling like the 40s in the city. So it'll be a decent day on Tuesday once that disturbance gets out of here. It'll be short-lived, though. We have another one coming in right behind it Tuesday night into Wednesday. Again, some mood flakes possible. Snow and sleet and freezing rain again possible in the higher elevations and northern suburbs, and this thing will weaken and get on out of here by Wednesday morning in the New York City area. Winter weather totals as we go through the next couple of days. We want to look at what are the models indicating in terms of totals. Some snow possible in northern New Jersey, southeast New York, and Connecticut. In the city itself, really not too much expected, and it'll be more of a nuisance than anything else. But the winter weather advisories are up here for the northern suburbs, and there's a good reason why. You can see why models are suggesting the possibility of some winter weather up there. Overall, though, not too much to be too concerned about. Let's take a look at the European model and move ourselves a little bit forward here and check out what it looks like into the end of the week. That disturbance gets out of here Wednesday, and then we have, guess what, another one on Thursday. A weak coastal storm moves by. Showers possible again as this thing moves through. Another weak disturbance kind of moving its way through the area. We'll clear out Friday most of the day. So Friday looks okay. It'll be the one day that we don't have any kind of like real crappy weather going on. But that's all in advance of another storm system that's going to be heading our area on Saturday. You can see here by Saturday morning, the European model suggests this low pressure will be organizing in the Ohio Valley. This thing will head up towards our area late Saturday into Sunday and kind of linger around Saturday into Sunday with showery activity possible. A frontal boundary is going to cross the area late Saturday into Sunday. And that's going to leave our area kind of vulnerable near a front where if a low pressure system were to develop, we could see some wintry weather associated with this storm system. European model's kind of been back and forth, GFS model back and forth as to whether another low pressure will form after that initial storm comes through Saturday into Sunday. If it does, it will have a chance to bring some snow to coastal regions. That would be the first kind of actual snowfall for a lot of folks near the coast, including the city. Low percentage chance that this happens as of now, but just something we figured was worth a mention. And as that storm gets out, that active period will end and we'll be into a period of quieter weather into the middle of next week. Backing up though and looking at the pattern across the entire the atmosphere throughout really the entire country, there's a lot to talk about because we're in a little bit of a transient pattern right now, and it's been very warm for quite some time. We've been underneath this ridge in the mid-levels of the atmosphere while all the cold air has been bottled up here in the west. That's going to change though. As we look at the early part of January, models suggest that trough that's been all the way in the western part of North America is going to come swinging down southward towards parts of the Northeast states and the Great Lakes. And that's a big change from what we've seen over the past couple of weeks, and it could come possibly with the potential for some wintry weather in some sense. We don't know exactly how much. We don't know if there's going to be individual snow threats. At the very least, it's going to get colder, and if we look at the European model, you can see all that warmth we've been basking in here, the warmer than normal temperatures. It hasn't even really felt like winter that much. That's going to change pretty significantly by the time we get into the period after New Year's, and then especially after January 5th. You see this signal for temperatures at least a couple degrees below normal. So we'll watch for winter weather threats in early January. For now, we'll get through these storms over the next couple of days. Here are your highlights one more time, just to go through. We have a disturbance coming through tonight, wintry weather in the northern suburbs and mostly showers in the city. Another one comes through Wednesday morning, same deal. Winter weather possible in the northern suburbs, mostly rain in the New York City metro area, and some light wintry impacts possible in the northern suburbs again. Another disturbance comes through on Thursday. That one, again, in and out, mostly showery activity. Then we get another one this weekend from late Saturday into Sunday. More unsettled settled, showery conditions. Then we'll watch for a low percentage chance of winter weather impacts from Sunday into Monday. Things clear out, become a little bit quieter into next week, and then we'll await that cold air for January and take it from there. So that brings us to the update to our New York City snow meter. This thing has not moved much this year. We are still solidly in mood flakes territory, a very weak level 1 in the city. Not much going on, and over the next week or two, it doesn't look like we have any reason to move yet. We'll keep an eye on that storm, though, later this weekend, and then early January, we could finally see some movement on this snow meter. But it's asleep for now, not too much going on in terms of winter weather threats, or especially any snow days or impactful weather in the near future. We'll keep you updated as we go through the next couple of days. Have a great Monday night, guys. Take care.